Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where precision meets performance and style turns into obsession. If you love the roar of an engine and the feel of innovation under your fingertips, you're in the right garage. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rebirths from BMW. Say hello to the 2026 BMW Z1. It's not just a return, it's a reinvention. The original Z1 from the late 80s was already a marvel of its time, with drop-down doors and futuristic design. But the 2026 version? It's a whole new beast, reimagined for a generation that demands emotion, connection, and electrifying performance. BMW took the retro DNA, mixed it with cutting-edge engineering, and delivered something truly unforgettable. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Z1 makes a statement. The body is sleek and sculpted, low to the ground, with aggressive lines that hint at its power. The doors still nod to the past. They slide down vertically into body just like the original, but now with modern mechanics that make them smoother and smarter. It's retrofuturism at its finest. Under the hood, the Z1 offers two powertrain options. The base variant comes with a turbocharged inline, 4-engine producing around 320 horsepower, while the M Performance version steps it up with a hybrid-assisted inline, 6 punching out a stunning 480 horses. 0 to 60? Try just over 4 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. This thing dances through corners. BMW's adaptive M suspension and near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution make sure the Z1 handles like it's reading your mind. The interior is a minimalist dream. BMW has blended analog charm with digital precision. You get a curved driver display, slim center touchscreen with haptic feedback, and even a retractable HUD that gives off serious sci-fi vibes. But it's not overwhelming. It's clean, intuitive, and focused on the drive. And don't think BMW skimped on materials. Alcantara and Nappa leather flow throughout the cabin, with exposed aluminum trim and contrast stitching that screams premium. There's even a throwback to the original Z1 with the yellow seat inserts. If you opt for the Heritage package, one of the biggest surprises? It's rear-wheel drive standard. No forced all-wheel drive, no unnecessary bloat. Just raw, connected driving. Purists rejoice. BMW also prioritized sustainability. Eco-friendly production methods and recycled materials are used throughout the car, aligning with BMW's commitment to going green, without compromising performance. Tech-wise, it's loaded. Gesture control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon system, and Level 2 autonomous driving assist for when you want to sit back and cruise. But trust us, you'll want to drive this one yourself. With a starting price just under $65,000, the 2026 BMW Z1 isn't cheap, but it's not meant to be. It's a statement car, a celebration of the past, and a bold step into the future. It's for drivers who want to feel everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Z1 over a Porsche Boxster or Audi TT RS? We want to hear from you. This is Auto Garage, where the road begins.